Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can generate structured output using Firebase AI logic in native Android application with Kotlin. So here you can see that I'm generating some output, like I'm asking Firebase AI logic like for use in children's card game, generated 10 animal based characters. So here you can see it has generated it for me. Now why did it give me the output in this particular format? Because I told it to. So if you see over here, I'll explain you the code later on, but here you can see every animal should have a name, age, species, accessory. So here you can see name Leo, age 7, species lion, accessory hat, then name Penny, age 5, species penguin, accessory shoes. So that's how what we will be looking into, how you can generate your own structured output, like depending on whatever you ask Gemini or whatever you send the structured output to be, then Firebase AI logic will generate the output based on that. So let's see how to do this. Now I'm using XML layout, but if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. Another important thing which I forgot is, while running this on a real device, make sure you have enabled Wi-Fi or connected to a Wi-Fi or enabled mobile data. Otherwise the app will crash and you will get error. So make sure that is also very important. Now first I'm using XML layout, but like I said, if you want you can use Jetpack Compose as well. So first you need to go to Firebase AI logic you need to go to console.firebase.google.com, and here you need to create a project. So just click on create new Firebase project. You can give it whatever name you feel like. I'll just give it as my app 3. Okay, it's up to you. Then just click on continue. I'll just close this and make sure you enable Gemini in Firebase. Then just click on continue over here, and then I don't want Google Analytics, so I'll just disable it and just click on create Firebase project. Now that Firebase project is creating, in the meantime what you can do is just go to your app, go to manifest, android manifest.xml, and make sure here you add the internet permission. Sorry, I forgot about that. So make sure the internet permission has been added. Then you need to go to res layout. Now if you are using Jetpack Compose, you will have to do this via Jetpack Compose, but I am using XML layout. So here you can see we just have a text view, and here we pass the ID as text view. That's it, nothing else. Okay, let's come back to Firebase. Just click on continue over here, and here first you need click on Android, and here you need to go to this build.gradle.kts. you need to copy this particular namespace and you need to paste it over here. Then click on register app. Let's just wait for a second. It will give us the google services.json file, so you can just download this file. Okay, now you need to paste this add this file inside the app folder. So I have already added it. So just go to project. So you need to go to the project drop down. You need to open this app and drag and drop inside this particular app folder. So as you can see, the file is present inside this google-services.json file over here. Okay, so make sure you add this. Then again go back to the Android drop down, and then click on next again. Then just copy this particular ID, and here go to build.gradle.kts and paste it over here. Once you have added this, then copy this particular ID as well, com.google gms google services. So come over here and I'll just paste the ID over here as well, and then just copy this Firebase implementation logic as well. Scroll down and I'll paste it over here, Firebase bomb dependency, and also make sure you add this Firebase AI logic dependency as well. Then just click on sync now, and it will download all the Android dependencies for you. Then click on next again, then click on continue to console, click on AI, click on AI logic. I'll just close this. Let's just wait for a second. Click on get started. Come over here, click on get started with this API, click on enable. Let's just wait for a second. And click on continue. Then so this is done. Now what you need to do, the main business logic, come to main activity. First I'll show you guys the imports. So these are all the imports which I am using, so feel free to pause the video and just copy all these imports. Then here you need to define a JSON schema. Like it doesn't has to be a JSON schema. I'm just showing one of the outputs. It can be a normal string, normal integer, whatever you feel like is right for you, but it's better you follow some proper structure, because by default we are getting string as the output from Firebase AI logic, so it doesn't make any sense. If you have some complicated output format which you want, then maybe this particular approach makes sense. So here you can see I want a map of characters, and here it should contain an array, and each array will have an object, and object will have a name, age, species, accessory, and optional properties is of accessory, so not necessary every animal should have an accessory. Okay, and here you can see in accessories it should be either hat, belt or shoes, nothing else. So it depends on you how you want to pass it. Here you can see name is string, age is integer. Okay, so here we are generating our Firebase AI model. So here we just pass Gemini 2.5 Flash, but make sure whatever is the latest you pass it over here. At the time of me recording, it is Gemini 2.5 Flash which is the latest, and here inside generation config you just need to pass generation config, and here response MIME type is application/JSON. If you are using some different MIME type, then you will have to change it over here, and inside response schema you just pass the JSON schema variable which we have created. Then here we create one variable for our text view. We initialize our text view over here, and here you need to specify a prompt. Now this Firebase AI logic prompts, they can't be accessed from the main thread. That's why I have created coroutines. So here you can see I've created a IO coroutine, and then we just do model dot generate content. I'm passing the prompt to it. Then once we get the response, again I'm switching back to the main thread, and I'm displaying inside the text views text response dot text. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.